Na kiongozi wa chama cha ANC Musalia Mudavadi amesema kwamba sharti mabadiliko katika tume ya IEBC yafanyike kabla ya uchaguzi ujao. Mudavadi pia amesisitiza kuwa ipo haja ya Kenya kupitisha katiba ya mrasimu ya Bomas ya mwaka 2005 iwapo marekebisho ya katiba yatafanyika. Alikuwa akizungumza kwenye kanisa la Redeemed Gospel lililoko katika eneo bunge la Embakasi Kusini.
When I spoke to this thing earlier, I said that they should have formatted this dialogue process to the Bomas approach, similar to the Bomas approach. It was a broad, all-inclusive process. If perhaps what they are doing, one of the recommendations comes out that they will need to reorganize this dialogue process the way they did the Bomas approach, then maybe we'll be moving in the right direction. So that is my view. As we go forward, I think it's also important that they, as security people, continue to evaluate on a very regular basis the security situation and also evaluate where there could have been possible lapses, because also the movement of some of the weapons from one point A to point B, it's also possible that there are some bad elements within our midst who may have been bribed so that they close their eyes to what was going on. And these are threats that will occur from time to time, so they need to evaluate where there could be such loopholes and seal them as much as possible.